Hello everybody, welcome back to another family cooking challenge. This is December and our family cooking challenge for this month is sugar cookies. Okay, so obviously you've gotten the email, hopefully you have picked up your kit. If not, definitely call to do takeout at the library. All the kids have your names on them and they will get them out on the curb for you so you can pick them up. Okay, so inside your kit for this month, we are going to have a sugar cookie mix that you just have to add a few ingredients to, and then a frosting. So it's December, it's the holiday season. We all need a little bit of joy and fun in our lives, so make them fun, creative, colorful, whatever you guys want to do. You know the drill. The family cooking challenge. The challenge of that is that you just add something fun and new and make them different. Use cookie colors, use different ingredients, something to make them still edible, but really awesome. So we have been loving your guys' submissions. Thank you to everyone who has been participating. It's been hard to pick some winners sometimes, but our winners for last month was the Woodworth family for their kindness biscuits that were in the shape of a heart. They were cinnamon and sugar and they looked delicious. And I hope that you guys are enjoying this. We are loving to see your guys' creations come in. So bake it, make it, have fun with it, get the whole family in there, get everyone involved, and then snap pictures, send them to me, Chelsey, Chelsey, at clearviewlibrary.org. And we pick a winner, we notify the winner, we get you a cool kit that has some fun kitchen stuff in it, and that's the drill. So I'm excited to see what you guys come up with for sugar cookies, and just get cooking, have fun, and we will see you next time. Thanks, guys.